Every enterprise has workloads that people assume can't be virtualized. Maybe they're too critical, or too real-time, or too tied to the physical world. Whatever the reason, the assumption keeps hardware sprawl alive and well. One box per task, one update at a time, and one failure per station. Audi rolled right over that assumption on a factory floor. Let's start with deployment. Every station ran its own dedicated PC. Thousands across the production environment, each maintained separately and each representing a potential point of failure. Audi virtualized those workloads onto centralized server clusters. One golden image, roll it out to hundreds of stations at once. Software upgrades went from over 20 minutes per device to a few minutes across the entire line. Then, consider the network. Factory automation demands instant communication. So Audi partnered with Broadcom and Cisco to engineer an industrial virtual switch on VCF networking. Sub-millisecond latency for industrial network traffic, with instant failover if a path drops. That's performance people assumed only hardware could deliver. And safety. That's been another virtual showstopper because people assume software can't be trusted with human safety. Audi partnered with Siemens to deploy the world's first TÜV-certified virtual fail-safe PLC. Safety logic running entirely in software. No dedicated local hardware. Don't think it'll work? Well, it's been running in live production since 2023 at Audi's plant in Germany, building the electric e-tron GT. The first time a car manufacturer used a centralized server solution to redeploy shop floor computing power. Not a drill, not a model, a production line building real cars. And doing it without sacrifice. Microsecond reliability, corporate security, human safety. Maybe it's time to rethink the assumptions and start proving what's possible.